Revolution Beauty has released too many advent calendars this year, and I decided to get this one. It is the You Are the Revolution advent calendar. My husband stuck this so I couldn't see the products, and this one retails for 51 euros. We have 25 products. The packaging is very similar to what we had 2 years ago. I'm going to have here my thumbnail so you can see this is so similar. I'm hoping that I will get my money back with this one. Pinky is here. Check. I'm removing the bow, the ribbon, not the bow. And now the plastic layer. Door number 1, and it sounds like, I think it's a brow gel. Let's see. Every year we have a clear brow gel. It's not. It is a lipstick. So this is the lipstick in the shade Slow. We're getting these lipsticks every year. This is a red one. Let's swatch it. It is a bright red lip shade, super gorgeous. I'm curious why they have named it Slow. And let's find door number 2. It is here. It looks like a blush or a bronzer or a highlighter. Basically a face powder. Come out! Oh, I'm right. This is a contour powder in the shade Shape. Okay, so it is for shaping, and the packaging is super cute. I like this braided pattern. Let's see the shade that we have. It is a little warmer for a contouring shade. Am I right? You can use it as a bronzer. It doesn't matter. I haven't tried any new makeup releases by Makeup Revolution for a while, so if you have any favorites, let me know in the comments. So this one contains 2 grams of product. I think it's a mini, but we have a lot of product to use for a year or so. Moving on to door number 3. It looks like a small face palette. They have some quad palettes. Maybe that's one. Even though this is very lightweight, I'm changing my answer, my guess. I think it is a mirror. Ta-da! We have a mirror every year. A few days ago I have unboxed the Sephora collection advent calendar, and the mirror was this much. It was so tiny, so I couldn't even apply some face products with that one. So this is actually a nice size. We also have the same packaging with the advent calendar. It's super cute. Day number 4. I don't think I'm gonna keep the box on camera because all of the doors are moving. It sounds like, most likely it is an eye pencil or a lip pencil. Let's see. Is it a brush? Oh my god. It's a brush. It doesn't have a name. I think it is a concealer brush. And it is a full size. We used to get those mini brushes in every Makeup Revolution advent calendar last year, and in this year, we have full sizes. That's so nice. This shows that they actually listen to their customers, because those mini brushes were just unusable. I just said that I'm not going to pick the boxes, but okay. Day number 5. It's lightweight. The size reminds an eye pencil or a lip pencil. Let's see. Come out. Okay, it is a pencil. This is the eyebrow pencil in the shade medium brown, and let's swatch it so we can see if I can use it or you can use it. It has a stiffer consistency. It is a little bit warmer than what I have now on my brows. Maybe I can make it work with a cool toned brow gel. You can also use it if you have a lighter hair color. Apply some and blend it with your spoolie. I like that we have a medium color so more people can use it. Also, this is a full size. And day number 6 is right here. I think this is a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick. Yes! Found it! We have here the jelly gloss in the shade Kiss, and it is a beautiful light pink corally lip gloss. I've actually tried today the new formula of the NYX lip glosses, the jelly glosses, and I have a very similar shade to this one, so I'm very curious to compare them. And let's swatch it to see if it is thicker or on the thinner side for the consistency. Yeah, it has a thicker consistency than the NYX Jelly Gloss, but I'm super curious to apply it on my lips. It looks very glossy. It gives the glass-like effect. This full-size product makes me very happy. Here we have door number 7. It slides. Glides, not slides. So, oh, it's a brush. It sounds the same like the previous brush. Let's see. Come on. 10,000 years later. I need the big guns. Tweezers. Ta-da! And we have another full-size brush. This is a flat synthetic brush. You can use it to cut the crease or apply eyeshadow in the inner corner. Basically, it is for small details on the eyes. With this one, you can also pack concealer on some of your spots. Very, very nice. And let's go now to door number 8. Lipstick. It sounds like a lipstick. Also the box. Yeah, it's the same with the previous. And this is the lipstick in the shade Baby. Also, if you didn't know that, the lower part of the lipstick also has more product. Let's see the lipstick, and it is this beautiful dusty pink color. It has a soft matte finish and it is very creamy and blendable. It looks gorgeous. And let's go now to day number 9 here. I'm guessing it is a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick. Oh, nope. And this one is the eye primer. We don't have a shade. It is this light color. We're getting this product in every advent calendar for how many years? Maybe 4 years? 5? It is like a must-have in their advent calendars. Day number 10 now. So I think this one is a brow gel because it's not as heavy as the lipsticks. I'm right. Okay, so this is the brow gel. I'm guessing that it is a clear brow gel. Yeah, it is exactly the same with last year's and last year's. It's nice that it is translucent so everyone can use it. And day 11 now is in the middle almost. I think this is a mascara. Nope, I was misguided by the box. This is a cream eyeshadow in the shade Worship. It is beautiful. And let's swatch it, of course. Oh, the red lipstick, by the way, stained my skin. This is a light pink silvery shade and it is very, very reflective. Ooh, it dried. It is very promising to be smudge proof. Okay, nice. Let's go to door number 12. I think it is a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick. I'm wrong. So this is the cream eyeshadow in the shade Dream. Oops, I almost dropped it. It looks luxurious. Let's swatch it. Super beautiful. This is also very, very beaming. Wow! You can apply this on the eyelid and a brown eyeshadow in the crease, and you can create a super easy brown smoky eye look. I love the finish of this one. Following that, door 13. I think this is a lip gloss. Ta-da! Oh, this one is a little bit oily. Let's clean it. This one is the jelly gloss in the shade Pout. And we have a holographic effect. Let's swatch it. Smells a little bit plasticky. Maybe it is the packaging, not the lip gloss. Ooh, super gorgeous. This one is a little bit thicker than the previous jelly gloss that we got in this advent calendar. And it has some very fine macro glitter in pink, yellow and orange. And it is so reflective as well. Here we have door 14. And it looks like a palette, maybe a quad palette. Ta-da! I was close because it has 4 products. So this is the blush palette in the shade Cheeky, and we have 4 blushes. This looks like a very, very light contouring shade. Maybe it looks very natural on the cheeks. So I want to swatch them because these look very similar. The first shade is not so noticeable on me. Maybe I can mix it with this one or the other colors. About these two, this is corally and this is more raspberry. And we also have this peachy shade. So I really want to use them on me and see how the colors look. It's nice that we have 4 blushes in a palette. Day number 15 looks like a face powder again. Maybe a highlighter. Ta-da! Found it! And we have here the highlighter in the shade Condition. I want to swatch it near the blushes and see if we can use them together. And it has the same beautiful pattern. In the pan it looks rose gold, in the swatches it is more silvery. It's very beaming, I love it. I think it is a little bit too light for the blushes, but maybe we can blend them together and create magic, makeup magic. By the way, Pinky is still happy with all of the products. Who wouldn't be with all of the full sizes today? So day number 16, I don't know, maybe a eye pencil. Did we have an eye pencil? No. This is the brow crayon and I'm guessing it is a clear one. Yeah, we have it every year. This one as well. Not every year, but we had it last year. Basically, we have everything for brows with the brow gel, the brow pencil, and then now this. Day 17, I'm going to say a highlighter again because I think we need a darker shade as well. Come on, open sesame. Ta-da! Okay, I'm right. And this is the highlighter in the shade Impact, and we have a golden darker shade. Let's swatch it with all of the other face products here. It's nice that we have a darker shade and you can also mix the two highlighters together. Door number 18 is lightweight. Oh, it's a brush because it is stuck in the box and it doesn't move freely. Ta-da! The sound misguided me. This is the lip liner in the shade Slow, exactly the same color that we got for the lipstick, and that's very nice as well. I like that this year they have names for the products. Some years they didn't and the products were looking very random. For a red lipstick you always need to outline with a red lip liner, and with this advent calendar you have both of the items. That's super nice. Let's go to day 19. Maybe it is another cream eyeshadow. Let's see. It would be nice if we had a mascara. I think we never have mascaras in the advent calendar. This one is the matte liquid lipstick in the shade Slow. Let's swatch this one as well. Oh, that's super beautiful. I'm going to let it dry and I will update you about the finish of it in a few doors. Day 20 here. This is fully packed as well. Maybe this is another liquid lipstick. Whoop. Ta-da! Found it! This is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Baby. So it's the same with the creamy lipstick as well. And I'm going to swatch it right next to the red one. It's a beautiful shade. I'm curious if we're gonna get also a lip liner in the shade Baby. Day 21. Oh no, I made a boo-boo. Have I already opened it? Oh, it is just a sponge. I thought I messed up with the unboxing, and we have here a super cute makeup sponge. It is on the smaller side. Day 22. It doesn't move. I am between a lip liner and a brush. I'm going to say a lip liner. It is stuck. Found it. This is the lip liner in the shade Baby. So we have our question answered, but it looks brighter. Let's see. I'm going to swatch it very close to the other one. Yeah, it is a little bit pinkier than the liquid lipstick and the creamy lipstick, but you can still use them together. It has a nice formula. It looks like a good lip base for a lipstick. By the way, the liquid lipsticks are still drying, so I'm gonna update you in a few more doors. Day 23 here. Maybe this is a lip gloss or I don't know, I can't open it. I don't want to ruin my nail polish. I brought my tweezers. Wrong again. This is the cream eyeshadow in the shade Hope. It is almost scentless. Ooh, that's bright. That's very bright. It reminds me of the highlighter. Oh, this doesn't dry as fast as the other creamy eyeshadows. It's very beaming as well. You can use it for a cut crease or in the inner corner. Up next, day 24. I think this is a brush. We have here the eyeliner pencil. It doesn't say the shade, but I'm guessing it is a black eye pencil. Yeah. So I'm going to swatch it down here. It has a very nice consistency. It's not very creamy. Most probably it's gonna be transfer proof. And about the matte liquid lipsticks, the red one is completely dry. Also the dusty pink, the baby shade. And now they are completely matte as well. Let's continue with day 25, which is the biggest door. This is most probably an eyeshadow palette. Ta-da! This is the shadow palette in the shade Head Turner. Let's see what colors we have. They are light, brownish, beige. So as I can see, we have a lot of cool toned eyeshadows, and the blushes are not so cool toned. I think this is a nice color story. We have light shimmery eyeshadows, darker matte, so we can highlight and contour the eyes. I really like this advent calendar. I'm gonna give it 5 stars, and you can also watch this video here.